Iced cappuccino and iced latte. These two iced coffees are very famous across the world. They are 70% similar to each other, but 30% different from each other. Do you want to know why? The 70% similarity is because of the main ingredients while we are preparing them. They both contain a double shot of espresso, ice and milk. While the 30% difference, I'm going to be showing it to you in this video. You're going to observe it with the way they're being prepared, the appearance and also the taste. Across the world, these two iced coffees are often confused by many baristas to be prepared in the same way, but I'm going to be showing you the differences between these two iced coffees. Before we start preparing them, I would like to share with you the basic knowledge that you must know about the iced latte and the iced cappuccino. These two iced coffees are all invented in Italy from the original coffee drinks, which are the hot cappuccino and the hot latte. Starting with the main ingredients that we're going to use to make the iced cappuccino and the iced latte, we're going to need first a double shot of espresso. We're also going to need milk. For this video, we're going to be using the full fat milk, but you can use the non-dairy milk alternatives while you are making these two iced coffees. Then lastly, we're going to need ice cubes. I'm going to be taking you through this process step by step so that you can understand and know how you can upgrade the way you make your iced cappuccino and the iced latte. We have our double shot of espresso. We have milk that we're going to use to make our iced latte and the iced cappuccino. These are the glasses that we use in our coffee shop to make our iced latte and the iced cappuccino. We're going to start by adding in our ice into the glass. After adding our ice, then we're going to add our milk. We pour it on top of ice so that when we add in our espresso, the espresso doesn't melt down the ice. For the iced latte, we'll pour it until the glass is almost full. Then for the iced cappuccino, we're going to pour it until half the glass. We're going to start with our iced cappuccino. We add in our double shot of espresso. Then for the iced cappuccino, we're going to steam milk. Then we're going to remove the foam from the milk so that we can fill the glass to give it that amazing layers where you can see the milk is down, the espresso, then foam on top. So for the iced cappuccino, we'll fill it up with foam. Then to finish our cappuccino, this is our garnishing for the cappuccino. We're going to sprinkle some chocolate powder on top. Give it that amazing look for the iced cappuccino. Then next we're going to make our iced latte. Iced latte is one of the easiest iced coffees that you can make. All you need is a milk, ice and a double shot of espresso. For our iced latte, to make it different from the iced cappuccino, we don't put foam on top. So as simple as this, you can make the iced cappuccino and the iced latte. So we're going to see the differences between these two iced coffees. First thing, we're going to look at the way they're being prepared. The iced cappuccino takes a bit more time than the iced latte. So if you're someone who wants to make your coffee as fast as possible, you can go in for the iced latte. Then when it comes to the appearance, the cappuccino looks more professional than the iced latte. This is like the normal iced coffee with milk. Then the cappuccino, because of the layer, it gives your coffee that amazing look. And the taste. This is the most asked question to me as a barista. Is what's the difference in the taste between the iced cappuccino and the iced latte? As you have seen me preparing these two iced coffees, first thing you have observed, the iced cappuccino has less milk than the iced latte, though they all contain milk, espresso with ice. The iced cappuccino, since it contains less milk, it is going to taste more strong and it's going to give you that much of the espresso taste into your iced coffee than the iced latte, since the iced latte has more milk in it. The best way that you can understand more about these recipes and the way these two iced coffees are being made, you should know more about the original coffee drinks, which are the hot cappuccino and the hot latte. This video here gives you the full knowledge that you must know about the hot cappuccino and the hot latte, the differences that you must know, and how you can make a perfect cappuccino and hot latte.